Hi viewers, today we are discussing about hybridization. This is very useful for class 11 and 12th JEE mains and NEET. Definitely one question is coming from hybridization. What is mean by hybridization? Means the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals to give new hybrid orbital. The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals to give new hybrid orbital is called as hybridization. We have different types of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, and sp3d3 hybridization. We have different types of hybridization: sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, and sp3d3. First one, sp hybridization. One s orbital is combined with one p orbital to give two sp hybrid orbitals. One s orbital is combined with one p orbitals to give two sp hybrid orbitals. What is the shape of this sp hybrid orbital? Is linear. Next, sp2 hybridization. One s orbital and two p orbital combining to give three identical sp2 hybrid orbital. What is the shape of this sp2 hybridization? Is the trigonal planar. Next, sp3 hybridization. One s is combined with 3p orbital to give four identical hybrid orbital. What is the shape of sp3? Means tetrahedral. Next, sp3d. 1s and 3p and 1d combining to give 5 sp3d identical hybrid orbital. What is the shape of the sp3d? Is a trigonal bipyramidal. Next one, sp3d2. 1s and 3p orbital and 2d orbital combining to give 6 identical sp3d2 hybrid orbital. What is the shape of the sp3 hybrid orbital? Means octahedral. Next, last one, sp3d3 hybridization. 1s and 3p orbitals and 3d orbitals to give 7 identical sp3d3 hybrid orbitals is called as sp3d3 hybridization. What is the shape of sp3d3? Is the pentagonal bipyramidal. These are all without lone pairs. sp hybridization is a linear structure, sp2 is the trigonal planar, sp3 is the tetrahedral, sp3d is the trigonal bipyramidal, sp3d2 is the octahedral, and sp3d3 is the pentagonal bipyramidal. Next, with lone pairs. Without lone pairs is the regular shape will come, but with lone pairs irregular shape will come. With lone pairs. First one, in sp2 hybridization. One lone pair. What is the shape? Means angular shape or V shape. Or bent shape. sp2 hybridization, one lone pair is present means angular shape or V shape or bent shape. In sp3, one lone pair is present means pyramidal shape. In sp3, one lone pair is present means pyramidal shape. In sp3, one lone pair is present means pyramidal shape. Two lone pairs is present means angular shape or V shape or bent shape. In sp3 hybridization, one lone pair is present means pyramidal shape, two lone pairs is present means angular or V shape or bent shape. Next sp3d. sp3d without lone pair, trigonal bipyramidal. But when one lone pair is present in sp3d, and when one lone pair is present in sp3d, that is seesaw model. Which structure? Seesaw model. Two lone pairs is present in sp3d, T shape. Two lone pairs is present in sp3d, T shape. Three lone pairs is present in sp3d, linear structure. Three lone pairs are present in sp3d, linear structure. Next sp3d2. sp3d2 is a regular shape, is octahedral, but when one lone pair is present, we are called as square pyramidal structure. Square pyramidal or distorted octahedral or distorted octahedral. When one lone pair is present in sp3d2, square pyramidal or distorted octahedral. When two lone pairs is present, we are called as square planar. When two lone pairs are present, they are called as square planar. Next sp3d3. sp3d3 irregular shape is what is that? Pentagonal bipyramidal. But irregular shape, when one lone pair is present, we can call as pentagonal monopyramidal. Pentagonal monopyramidal. This is, students, hybridization means what is that? Intermixing of atomic orbitals to give new identical hybrid orbitals is called as hybridization. sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d3. The without lone pairs, they are regular shape. sp is the linear, sp2 is the trigonal planar, sp3 is the tetrahedral, sp3d is the trigonal bipyramidal, sp3d2 is the octahedral, sp3d3 is the pentagonal bipyramidal. With the lone pairs, irregular shape will come. sp2, when one lone pair is present, angular shape or V shape or bent shape. sp3, one lone pair is present means pyramidal. Two lone pairs are present, angular or V shape or bent shape. sp3d, when one lone pair is present, that is called as seesaw model. Two lone pairs is present, T shape. Three lone pairs is present, linear. In sp3d2, one lone pair is present, square pyramidal or distorted octahedral. Two lone pairs is present means square planar. In sp3d3, one lone pair is present means pentagonal monopyramidal. Now we are going to do how to identify the nature of the hybridization and lone pairs. Okay, nature of the hybridization. Generally hybridization, how can we say that? Bond pairs plus lone pairs is equal to electron pairs. Bond pairs plus lone pairs is equal to electron pair. Electron pairs is 2 means sp hybridization. Electron pairs means 3 means sp2. 4 means sp3. 5 means sp3d. 6 means sp3d2. 7 means sp3d3. For example, I can take any molecule. First I will take CH4 molecule. CH4 molecule. Here central atom is the carbon. Central atom carbon, how many valence electrons? Carbon is the 14th group. 14th group means is the 4 valency electrons. That 4 valency electrons I am writing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 valency. Next hydrogen atom. Hydrogen valency is 1. How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. Each hydrogen is occupying 1 electron. That means they all are bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. Total how many bond pairs? Total how many bond pairs? 4 bond pairs. 4 bond pairs means what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, what is the shape? Tetrahedral shape. What is the shape of the molecule? Tetrahedral. One more example, CO2. Same carbon central atom. How many valence electrons? 4 valence electrons in carbon atom. Group number is equal to valency electrons. Oxygen valence is 2. That means each oxygen occupying 2 valency electrons. That means these two are the bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. Bond pairs plus lone pairs is equal to electron pair. They can forming only 2 electron pairs. 2 electron pairs. 2 electron pairs means this hybridization is sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means what is the shape of the molecule is linear shape or linear structure. Next, one more example is SF6. Sulfur. In sulfur is the which group? 16th group. That means 6 valency electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sulfur means 16th group means 6 valence electron. Fluorine is the 17th group. Valence is 1. Each fluorine occupying 1 electron. Fluorine, 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 fluorine. Total 6 bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. Total how many bond pairs? 6 bond pairs. 6 bond pair means that 6 means what is the hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization means what is the shape? Octahedral shape or octahedral structure. Octahedral. Next, xenon F4. Xenon F4. Xenon is the noble gas element. Noble gas element is the 18th group. 18th group means how many valence electron? 8 valence electrons are present. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fluorine valence is 1. Each fluorine occupying 1 electron. That means 4 electrons is finished. Remaining 4 electrons are not involving in the bond formation. That means these 2 electrons are 1 lone pair. These 2 electrons are second lone pair. What is meant by electron pair? Bond pairs plus lone pair. Here how many bond pairs will be there? 4 bond pairs plus 2 lone pairs. Total how many electron pair? 6 electron pair. 6 electron pair means what is the hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. In sp3d2 hybridization, when 2 lone pairs is present, what is the shape of the molecule? Square planar. What is the shape of the molecule? Square planar. That means here sp3d2, what is the structure? Square planar structure. Square planar structure. Next, one more example. IF7. Iodine is which group? 17th group. 17th group means how many valence electrons are there? 7 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 valence electron. Fluorine is the valence is 1. That means fluorine is occupying only 1 electron. All 7 bond pairs. There is no lone pair. 7 bond pair means what is the hybridization? sp3d3 hybridization. What is the shape of the molecule means? Pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Same, you can take SO2 also. SO2, sulfur, how many valence electrons? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 valence electrons. Here oxygen. Oxygen valence is 2. Each oxygen carrying 2 electrons. Remaining 2 electrons are not involving bond formation. That means these 2 electrons are called a lone pair of electrons. That means how many lone pairs? 1 pair. Bond pairs is 2 and 1 lone pair. Total is how many? 3. 3 means is a sp2. In sp2, when 1 lone pair is present, what is the shape of the molecule? Angular or V shape or bent shape. That means in SO2, what is the shape of the molecule? Angular shape. Angular shape. Next, I3 minus. In I3 minus, one of the iodine is the central atom, remaining 2 is the not a central atom. In iodine, how many valence electrons? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here minus means gaining of electron, means you can add one more electron here. Remaining 2 iodines is occupying 2 electrons. Remaining and all the lone pairs. 1, 2, 3 lone pairs are present. 2 bond pairs plus 3 lone pairs. Total how many? sp3d hybridization. 5 means what is that? sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization, 3 lone pairs are present means what is the shape of the molecule? Linear. sp3d hybridization, 3 lone pairs are present means what is the shape of the molecule? Linear. Next, one more example, PCl5. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is how many valence electrons? 5 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 valence electron. Each chlorine is occupying one electron. 1 2 3 4 5, all bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. 5 bonds pair means what is that? sp3d. There is no lone pairs. Without lone pairs, sp3d, what is the hybridization ma? Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Next, let's see more example, students. H2O, water. Here oxygen is the central metal atom. Oxygen, how many valence electrons? 16th group means 6 valence electron. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 valence. Each hydrogen is occupying one electron. Remaining 2 are the lone pairs. That means bond pairs plus lone pair. How many bond pairs? 2. How many lone pairs? 2. Total how many? 4. 4 hybrid orbital means what is hybridization? sp3 hybridization. When sp3 hybridization, 2 lone pairs are present. When sp3 hybridization, 2 lone pairs are present means what is the shape of the molecule? Angular shape or bent shape. Angular shape or bent shape. In H2, how many lone pairs will be there? 2 lone pairs will be there. In H2, how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs. You can easily identify the lone pairs of electrons also. Next, one more example, ammonia molecule. Nitrogen is the which group? 15th group means 5 valency electrons. 5 valence electrons remain is the 3 hydrogens occupying 3 electrons. Remaining 1 is the lone pair of electron. 3 are the bond pairs, 1 is lone pair. Total 4. That is also what is that hybridization? sp3 hybridization. But 1 lone pair is present. sp3 hybridization, 1 lone pair is present. Means what is the shape of the molecule? Pyramidal shape. What is the shape of the molecule? Pyramidal shape. That means ammonia, what is the shape of the molecule? Pyramidal shape. Let's see NH4 plus also. Nitrogen is how many valence electrons? Same 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here plus will be there means is the lossing of electron. Yes or not? When plus sign will be there, the lossing of electron. The lossing of electron means we can removing 1 electron. We can removing 1 electron. Remaining 4 only we can consider the electrons. 4 electrons, 4 hydrogens will be considered. And 4 hydrogens means that 4 bond pairs will be there. 4 bond pairs means what is the hybridization? sp3. sp3 hybridization means what is the shape of the molecule? Tetrahedral shape. What is the shape of the molecule? Tetrahedral shape. Same like this we have to do so many examples. I hope you do understand this concept. Thank you.